Welcome to the Begley Library tutorial on how to use advanced Google searching. If at any point you need assistance or have a question, please do not hesitate to contact a librarian. You're probably familiar with Google's search engine. In fact, it's likely you use Google on a regular basis for personal, professional, and academic reasons, but you might not be familiar with the advanced search offered by Google. Google's advanced search allows users to have more control over their search to find more relevant websites and documents. For example, you're researching the history of the Schenectady Railway but are having trouble finding relevant sites just using the basic search. After you've done this initial search in Google, you'll notice the word Tools under the right side of the search box. Click on the word Tools. You will see there are about 393,000 results. Here you will see three options. We are interested in the advanced search, the one on the right. Click on Advanced Search. On the next page, the Google Advanced Search page, you are given multiple ways to find pages with and to then narrow your results by. Each option is on its own line. To the right of each box or boxes, you will see a description of what that specific search performs. The first box is where you'll type all of the keywords that are important and need to be in the results. For example, history. The second box allows you to search for important keywords as a phrase, requiring that these words must be found next to each other. For example, Schenectady Railway. The third box is where you might include a variety of synonyms or related terms to your topic, but these are far less important than the keywords typed above. Although all of these words may be in a result, only one of them needs to be. Note that you need to put the word "or" between the single keywords you enter. In the fourth box, you can type keywords to help exclude certain types of information. Perhaps you keep finding information on current Schenectady Railway schedules. To avoid this, you could type schedules in the box. Next, Google Advanced Search provides a way to look for a range of numbers, which could be measurements, dollar amounts, dates, etc. I am looking for information between 1847 and 1920. Below these boxes, there are ways to narrow your results further. You can select the language of any site, such as English, to only see ones that are written in English. You can select sites published in certain areas in the region box, only choose sites updated within a certain time frame, and much more. One tool that works particularly well is the Site Domain Limiter. This will limit your results to only certain types of sites, like .edu for education, .gov for government, .org for organization, .com for commercial, or any other of your choosing. Government and educational websites tend to provide some of the best academic information on the web, so you may want to limit your search to one or both of these. Click on Advanced Search. You will see a big difference in the results found. There are now about 4,800 results. Notice that your advanced search has been put into the basic search box. Remember to always check websites and documents for scholarship, accuracy, timeliness, and reliability. If you want to revise your search, click on Advanced Search. If at any point you need assistance or have a question, please do not hesitate to contact a librarian.